Good morning, students. I am Emmanuel Fazal, your mathematics teacher of class 5. Today, we will start chapter number 1 on numbers and arithmetic operations, lesson 1. Topic: numbers up to 1 billion. First of all, what is number? A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. Students, we use number in our daily life. For example, in class, if we want to count the students, how many students in the class, we use number. We use number if we want to count how many fans in the class, how many chairs in the class. So in this way, we will use counting. Measure. If we want to measure the height of the whiteboard, width of the whiteboard, we use number. And we also use number for labeling the diagrams and figures. The original examples of the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4, so on. Next, difference between digit and number. Digit mean we read separately. For example, 1, 2, 3, so on, separate by commas. Numbers 23, 234. Students, we read combinedly. So these are the numbers. Now some more examples of the digits. 5. 5 is a one digit number, and 0 to 9. 0 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the greatest one digit number. 12, two digit numbers. 10 to 99. 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the greatest two digit number. 315, three digits number. 100 to 999. 100 is smallest three digit number and 999 is greatest three digit number. 4354, four digits number. 1000 to 9999. 1000 is smallest four digit number and 9999 is greatest four digit number. Now students, we will read and write the numbers by the help of place value chart. First of all, I will give you introduction because here is a two place value chart. One is Pakistani place value chart and second is international place value chart. Difference between Pakistan place value chart and international place value chart is, in Pakistani place value chart, here is a three periods. Here is a three periods and first period is ones. First period is ones. Second period is thousand. Third period is lakhs. And here is a, in ones, here is a more sub periods. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones we denoted by O and tens we denoted by T, hundreds we denoted by H and thousand we denoted by TH, 10,000 we denoted by T dash TH, lakhs denoted by L and 10 lakh denoted by TL. In international place value chart, here is also three periods. First period is ones, second thousands and third millions. In ones, here is also three sub places. Number one, ones, tens, then 100. In thousands, also 3 subplaces: thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. In millions, here is also 3 subplaces: millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Millions denoted by M, 10 millions denoted by TM, and 100 millions denoted by HM. Student, next is representation of 7 digits number. So this number we will place and read and write with the help of Pakistani place value chart. Here is in this period, in this place value chart, 3 periods: ones, thousands, and lakhs. So our number is 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2. This is a 7 digits number. We will put here in this place value chart, start our right hand side. First of all 2. 2 put on 1's place. 3 puts on 10th place. 4 puts on 100th place. 7 puts on 1000 place. 5 puts on 10,000 place. 8 puts on lakh place, and 7 put on 10 lakh place. Now after placing this number, we can easily read it: 78 lakh 57,432. The same number we will write in expanded form. We will write in this way. First of all, from our left hand side, here is a 7. After 7, here is a 6 number. So we will put 60. After 7, number is 8. Then here is a 5 numbers. So we will put 50. Then here is a 5. We will put 5. And after 5, here is a 4 digits. So we will put 40. Then 7. After 7, here is a 3 digits. We will put 30. Then 4. After 4, 2 digits. So we will put 20. Then 3. After 3, 1 digit. So we will put 10. And finally, we put 2. When students, we will again join them, add them. So we will get again our number, that is a 78 lakh 57,432. Now representation of 7 digits number on international place value chart. In this chart, students, there is also 3 periods: ones, thousands, and millions. The same number, this one, we will place here. We will start our right hand side. 2 on 1's place, 3 on 10th place, 4 on 100 place, 7 on 1000 place, 5 on 10,000 place, 8 on 100,000 place, and 7 on million place. So with the help of international place value chart, we can easily read it: 7,857,432. Now this same number we will write in expanded form. We will start from our left hand side. Number is 7. After 7, these are 6 digits. So we will put 60. Then 8. After 8, here is a 5 digits. So we will put 50. Then 5. After 5, here is a 4 digits. We will put 4 zeros. Then 7. After 7, here is a 3 digits. We will put 30. Then 4. After 4, 2 digits. We will put 20. Then 3. After 3, 1 digit. We will put 10. Then finally 2. We will put 2. So students, when we again join them and add them, we will get Again our answer, our result 7,857,432. And here is a comparison is 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Then students, representation of 10-digit number in Pakistani place value chart and international place value chart. For 10-digit number, here is a 4 periods: first period, second period, third period, fourth period. International place value chart, here is also 4 periods: first period, second period, third period, and fourth period. Now students, we will place 10-digit number in place value chart. In place value chart, here is a 4 periods: ones, thousands, millions, and billions. This is our number, 10-digit number. We will place in our international place value chart. We will start from our right hand side. 2 comes on 1's place, 5 comes on 10th place, 6 come on 100th place, 7 comes on 1000th place, 6 come on 10,000 place, 8 comes on 100,000 place, 7 comes on million place, 9 comes on 10 millions place, 4 comes on 100 million place, and 5 come on million place. So we will read easily this 10-digit number: 5,497,867,652. Comparison is 1,000 millions is equal to 1 billion. Now students, I have prepared you one activity that is a very easier, so listen very carefully. Write the digit under these correct place value and also write the number in words. 2,000, 700, 5 10,000, 4 millions, 1 0 ones, 5 tens, 200,000. So these all digits you will put in this international place value chart. Students, I have also prepared you homework, and this homework you will do on separate sheets and submit in the school. Question number 1, separate by periods and read the following numbers. So these are the numbers you will read, and then question number 2, write the following numbers in words. You are watching, commas are already placed here, so you can write these number in words. So students, thank you for your listening. Stay home and save lives.